What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you 3 free mint NFT projects that I'm keeping my eye on. It's very hard to predict how they're going to do, especially in these market conditions, but it's all going to be based on the hype that they're going to be getting, especially when it's going to get closer to mint. Before I share the project, just have to say something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research. So the first project, it's called Wojaks, and this is completely DGM project. So you can go to their Discord, and I think if you do like 5 invites and then you retweet their posts, you technically should be able to get a whitelist spot or something like that. So not exactly sure how it's gonna do, but it's a free mint. That's what they stated right here in one of their posts. Interact for free mint. So this is first one, and I think this is 100% DGM project. Then the second one is called Bozo Collective, free mint. So this is going to be on Solana. They have a website and they also have a Discord. And if we scroll down, look at their tweets, as you can see, they're getting pretty good engagement for those market conditions. Like this one was 3 hours ago and they have 400 likes and 160 retweets. So if we scroll a little more down, as you can see, they actually open for collabs. So it's not too late to get a whitelist spot. You can go to their Discord, or if you may be in some of the communities, they may be handing out whitelist spots. And then the last project, it's called Clashed. So the Clash, it's the home of skill-based crypto gaming. So this actually company is actually building some kind of little games, and if we scroll down, as you can see, like this is one of them, and most likely they're all going to be mobile games. And this project is at very early stage. If you go to their website, welcome to the future of crypto gaming, challenge yourself, and then you can join a waitlist. And if we scroll down a little bit more, as you can see, this is probably the type of games they're gonna have: Jump, Solitary, and this is all classic games you know and love. And looks like they're gonna have more games coming up, so you can go to their Discord and then you can sign up. And as you can see, they're gonna be doing like a Genesis passes or something, and they're gonna have 500 of them. So you can join their waitlist or go to their Discord and see exactly how to qualify for whitelist spot, because they're also doing some giveaways in their Discord. And this is pretty much it. I'm not gonna dive deep into this project. Maybe later on I'm gonna create a separate video just to talk about this project. And this is pretty much it. All the projects that I showed you in this video, I'm gonna leave links in the description below. Thanks for watching.